What's good, YouTube? Crypto Ken back at it again. I got my guy Bert here, so we about to get some. We about to do some drills, yo. So we really want to work on some of our deficiencies. I can speak for myself. Some of my deficiencies will be weak hand, shooting weak hand. Did a competition yesterday, and you know what I mean. It brought up some deficiencies when I was shooting weak hand, even though I got all my hits in the 0 zone or in the A zone. You know what I mean. But I didn't shoot it as fast as I would like, and I know it's because I don't work it. So I'm gonna start working it, working my double taps, get more efficient with my double taps. And again, we all interested in basically bringing up our deficiencies and working on our weaknesses. What do you say, Bert?
Typically, I don't train weak hand, so this should be fun for me. I mean, same concept, but it's still a hand that you don't use. So
Exactly.
I'm eager to see how I do.
Yeah. So
100%.
So yo, that's what we're gonna be working on. So yo, we'll be back with y'all in just a second. This video is brought to you by Bmore Calculated. We provide top-tier firearm training. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced shooter, we'll help you shoot smarter, faster, and more confidently. From pistols to rifles, we break it all down so you can stay sharp and calculated. All right, so my Bert, he got 4 loaded in 1 mag, got 2 in the second mag, so we're gonna do 4. We're gonna do a reload and finish 2. So we're gonna do 4 center mass, A zone, then we're gonna go to the head, 4, then he's gonna do the mag change and finish off center mass.
4-2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Reload.
No. So you're gonna do pop.
1, 2.
Yep. Go to the head, pop.
1, 2.
And then reload. Finish off with the 2, pop.
In the chest.
There you go.
Don't shoot him in the head, shoot him in the dick.
Hey, that works too. Hey, shout out to my man Wayne. Best advice we got all year.
I think it is.
All right, matter of fact, let me grab the timer, bro.
All right.
Can't do much without that. Shooter ready. Stand by. All right, so you got a 7.8. First shot was 1.91. Best split 2-2. See your shots. All right.
1, 2, 4. 1, 2.
All right.
I saw that.
Okay.
My iron sight down to the left.
Got you.
But I pulled it anyway.
Got you.
I pulled it anyway.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Damn it! I was like, too late. Gone.
So yo, this right here is gonna like I said, it's gonna work. It's gonna work out grip. Because, grip needs to be on point. Got to be target focused and everything. So it's going to work all. So that's what we're doing today. We're working all that stuff today.
Yes, we are.
Yes, sir.
All right, shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
Yes, sir.
6-1.
What was that?
617.
All right, so I gotta tighten that up. Gotta get it a little faster.
Well, you're taking your time and you should hit yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, double.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So gotta get that over here.
Yep.
So I'll try to speed it up next time. Just get a true double tap. Bop. And try to.
That's all I'm trying. Yep.
Try to speed it up.
Gotta fix that.
All right, Bert, you ready?
Ready.
Let's go, son.
I'm not ready.
Okay.
I loaded the wrong mag.
right, shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. So you got a 702.
Damn it.
First shot was a 199.
I slowed up. Head.
Nice.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, you got everything in there.
Everything's in
Hey,
there.
good shooting, bruh.
I was slow at that one, wasn't I?
Oh, you was at 702.
7.
I feel as though I was slow. I think we focusing on getting it where we need to get it.
I am.
Yeah, so I think we just need to just let it go. You know what I mean?
And honestly, when I shot this second one,
Yeah.
I guess my trigger is so worn.
Yeah.
Because it's stock trigger.
Got you.
As soon as I let off of it, it was like boom, boom. Like I didn't shoot that second.
Oh, that double shot.
shot. I guess my hands had it to do. I'm like, whatever.
Hey, it sounded good.
It did.
And the hits was good.
This was good. But that shows my support was there.
Yeah.
I had the
Exactly.
gun there. I had it right where it's supposed to be,
Exactly.
and it went there.
Yep. All right. Let me go ahead and get some of this, man. All right.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
This. Damn.
What happened? It seemed like you
Brain fought.
brain.
I got caught up in my t-shirt. And them shots is off, yo.
It's all right. We'll see. 725.
Yeah. So I got one here. I felt that.
All right, so you killed little Billy. Poor
Yeah.
All right.
One here, and then I think I got the rest.
Yeah. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Oh, 3. On the A. It's on the A.
Oh, damn. Yeah. So I felt this one.
You felt it? Yeah.
I felt that one too. What was my time?
7.25.
Yeah. I'm working. That's why we working, right?
That's why we working.
That's why
bro.
we working.
That's why we working.
Let me see. So yeah, family, we working on deficiencies today. Working on deficiencies.
Yeah. So far, so good. I think we're doing so far, so good. In the beginning, I was getting hung up trying to remember the order. But now I got it, so I'm fine.
Got you.
I'm fine. I think I improved a lot.
Got you.
100%.
Got you.
Keep at it.
There you go. Keep at it. Hey, work on our deficiencies until they become our strengths, right?
Indeed.
Matter of fact, oh, you got the timer. All right. All right, bro, you good?
Good.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. So that was good. That was a 628.
628.
So that was faster than your other two.
My last two felt sloppy.
So look like you got everything A zone. You had one C, one Charlie.
There it is. There's one.
Oh, my bad. You had a Charlie and a Delta.
Did we cover up more of yours?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I thought I had everything marked.
Maybe, okay. Maybe not.
So how many shots is it total?
Total in here? 1, 2, 3,
5, 6.
7.
You only shot 6. Maybe I missed one.
Maybe you missed one.
Yeah, maybe
okay.
I missed one.
Oh no, they're going right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only shot 6, so we missed something.
Yeah, we must have missed something.
We missed something. But I know that's me, and I know. So I'm guessing I hit and I dropped it.
Yeah, I know this was definitely me. That was.
I did this on the reload.
Gotcha.
So 1, lost one of these.
Gotcha.
Then I threw the last one.
Gotcha. Okay.
I felt my grip. I lost my grip.
Gotcha.
I just felt it. It is
Well,
what it
shit,
is.
mark them up, yo.
It is what it is.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
That's slow.
6.07.
Yeah, it's still slow. I felt it slow. It just felt slow.
Like when you reload, I don't know. I don't know what this boom boom.
Yeah.
Boom boom. It's like you only got 2. Boom boom. It seems like every time you reload it, you get a little stuck, but you got it. One, two.
1, 2.
Just 3.
3.
And you went through the paper again. So.
Yeah, I don't know what that last one is. 1, 2.
2.
Yeah, I'm not too sure, brother.
1, 2, 3. It has to be 1. You maybe went through it again.
Yeah.
One of those. Touched again.
3. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Get the marker real quick.
6, 7.
All right, Bert. You want to get some dry firing in real quick?
Yeah, real quick.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead and get right, son. I'm gonna go off threat. Go off threat. Threat! Nice. Threat! Threat!
All right, we're good.
That was clean. That last one was real clean.
Yeah, I felt, yeah.
All right, beat that 6.07, yo.
6.7.
It's your first shot. Your first shot been like 191, 2 seconds. So clean that first shot up. I think you'll get it. Shooter ready. Stand by. You beat that joint.
I beat it.
6. Yes, sir.
I grazed
shot
him.
placement out.
I grazed him. But I did.
Hey, at least you grazed him.
I grazed him. Got him in the cheekbone here. All right, we're good.
All right. I'll be looking for the mass.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. Nice.
I came right down.
Nice.
Boom, boom.
Hey, that was good shooting, Bert.
Thank you.
Damn good shooting.
There we go.
I like that you take them out of the box and they run off.
That's why. That's why I mess up.
Right there.
Bop, bop, bop,
Reach.
bop,
Bow.
bop, bop.
Keep that gun. Keep that gun right in your workspace.
Bop, bop.
Bop, right in your workspace. Bow. Bow. Then
Bop,
back
bop.
on it. There you go.
See, yo, everybody need a little bit of coaching. My man Bert coaching me up, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I
wouldn't say
appreciate that, big dog. I appreciate that.
I wouldn't call it coaching. I was giving you pointers.
All right, let's go,
All
son.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Look. It's up. 551.
All right, I made a little progress.
Hey, that's good. 5-1, right? And you kept the gun in your workspace.
Yo, it still felt slow. It feels slow for whatever reason.
That was good.
Hey. All right, 1, 2, wasn't quite 8. 1, 3, 4. One. I don't think I got the head at all.
Got one hit shot.
Oh, this one. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, got one here. I don't know if I hit this and this,
Maybe.
and then got these. I'm not too sure, but
So, I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5.
okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's probably
one headshot.
That's
and
probably
then
a
got this
headshot.
one in.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
second headshot.
All right. So we working, yo. We working. Hey, yo. So you already know, yo. This gonna be what we gonna be doing for the next couple months. This is what I'm gonna be doing for the next. At first it was the bills. I had to get my bill. I had to do.
Get the bill.
Now
it's reload.
Now it's gonna be
Damn right.
And I'm gonna be doing my Wi-Fi, yo. I know I should be doing it.
Oh, he said it.
I'm gonna start doing it. I said it on camera.
You heard him say it.
Yo, I'm gonna start doing it. I'm gonna start. You gonna get some drop? Bert?
I'm good.
You good? All right. Shooter ready.
5.
Hey, you understand the course of fire, right?
5, reload 5.
Yep, all center mass, right?
All center mass.
All right. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
What?
Tap rack, tap rack.
Ah!
So that was 9 shots at a 9.49.
9.29.
Good?
You see the round? I think that was a dead head.
It's right there. It's right there. Oh, that's shell, my bad. I'm not too sure, bro.
Oh, okay.
It might have went out that way.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so you had 2 high and a couple low.
Everything was
Gotcha.
3, 4, 7, 9.
Okay.
Dead one.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So 2 high.
Gotcha. All right, bro, we working, man.
I got to clean that up.
Yeah.
I got to clean that up. Shoot up the course of 5.
Sure.
Stand by.
Oh, shit.
$7.32.
All right, so I still had a round in here. I hit the mag release.
Damn.
Hit the mag release. So I got 1 here, 1 Mike, 1 Charlie, 2 Charlies, 1, 2, 3, 4 alphas, 5 alphas.
5 alphas.
1 Mike.
And one more Charlie. Right?
And 1 more Charlie.
Yeah. All right, 1 Mike. All
Yep.
right. 732.
Yo, I'm gonna basically go for.
All right, what you
Let me see your marker. So you basically got 4 in that area.
So where you gonna shoot?
I'm gonna shoot his joint.
Crypto. The Glock.
So this
20?
is a Glock 20,
10 millimeter.
10 mil.
All right. Uh-oh. That's for out there in North Dakota. Colorado. For them bears, some grizzlies. Yes, sir. I'm tired of seeing these videos where people get mauled
I know,
by
man, who
these
you
damn
telling?
bears.
Who you telling?
Just go buy a goddamn Glock.
Which way you taking?
I'm gonna take the same one you shot. I just marked off the ones you got in white.
Glock 20, 10 mil.
Am I high, Bert?
Yep.
Yep.
Outside.
There you go. High left. High center. One target. High center. I'll give that to you.
That motherfucker got a little bit of kick to it.
A little bit.
Got a little bit of kick to it.
That thing got all the kick.
But
Like a mule.
so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the rest of them was up here.
The rest was out there.
So
Yeah.
I had 5 over here,
Yeah.
and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 4, 5.
Yeah. Yep. All right, my man Bert about to get money with this 5 reload 5. Hey, what time you gonna get, Bert?
Last
me a good time, Bert.
Last time I got 949.
949. All right, so
This
look,
time
okay,
I'm going for 7-8.
7-8.
7-8.
Let's go, son. Let's get this money.
7-8.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
I threw that.
It's all good.
I threw that first one.
Hey, you got
I don't know where that went.
6-1-2.
I don't know where that went. I ain't gonna
Got
lie.
a 6-12, Bert.
612?
6-12. So that's faster than what you wanted.
There's no way. I did it on paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You threw one.
That's the one I threw then.
That's the one you threw.
Bruh, look, I shot it and the gun, I had it here. It went boop. Like it just boop. I'm like, oh. Thumb came right off, bro.
I feel
Thumb came right off.
hey,
I'm
that
like,
wasn't bad though, yo. That wasn't bad. 10 shots, 6.12 seconds.
6.12.
Hey, your first shot was 8 too.
Huh?
First shot.
I'm gonna go from the low ready because I don't have a hole.
All right, gotcha. Pass me the timer. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. That was 5. Damn, it's like a 5.74 or something. Picked up that last 10. Yeah, I see you got caught up. You see?
So it looked like
Yeah, my bad.
There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's a lot of holes in them joint in that joint already.
Yeah, no. Okay. I'm just missing 2. I did somewhere, so I'm generally, I guess, in that area.
Gotcha.
It's all over the place. Just had a couple holes for you.
All right, Bert. Strong support hand.
Huh?
I said strong hands. Shooter ready. Stand by. Good shooting. Good shooting, Bert. That was a 13.8 seconds.
Woo.
First shot was a 2.82.
Yeah, I believe it.
So let's get the shots real quick.
I believe it.
He got everything A-zone except for that top shot right there.
Top one.
And he had the
That was my reload.
Yo, you had the Compton shooting too, yo. You had the gun cocked to the side.
Well, it wasn't cock. It was on an angle.
Hollywood.
Slight angle. No, I didn't have it sideways.
Like slight angle.
You know, come on, bro. Nah, bro.
I gotta work it.
Say it again.
I said this is definitely not my strong suit.
Yeah.
I gotta work a lot of stuff. And see, that's the good thing about competition. It'll actually expose a lot of your deficiencies. Yesterday in the competition, you couldn't really tell when I went left hand because I got everything in the A-zone, except for one. I dropped one, I believe. However, I just know. You know what I mean? My weak hand is definitely, I need to work on it.
Yeah.
I need to work on my dry fire. I need to work on my weak hand. So I got a lot to work on.
Was my too canted? Like, did it look like?
So either way,
like homeboy?
I don't care how it looked.
Okay.
You had your joint like this, daggone there.
Yeah.
I'll show you in the video.
Yeah,
but
it's sort of
you
like
got
a
the
natural-
shots where they needed to go.
True.
Yeah. You got 9 out of 10. You can't.
Yeah. Right.
All right, whenever you're ready, son.
All right. Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
What was that?
16.96.
16.96.
You
13 something, I think.
13.9, 13 something like that.
13
13.8. You picked it up when you got to your strong king. You picked it
Yeah.
up, obviously.
So I had 2 go over here in the C zone, and I got everything else. Got everything else in A zone.
Everything else in A zone.
So not bad. I got everything else in A zone. So yo, we working, yo.
working.
I just need to work my left hand a little bit more. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, Bert. Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. So you got a 15.29.
15.29.
15. You the same, bruh. Hey, it was nice meeting you, bruh.
15.29.
See your shots. So you got.
Did I throw? I threw one.
Yeah, you threw one.
Threw one.
You had one Mike. I see one Charlie. I see 2 Charlies, and then everything else A zone.
Everything else is
Whenever you are, yo.
Shooter ready. Stand by. It was 15 flat.
15 flat. dog.
Twice there.
Oh, twice
I'll
there.
give that.
That's 8.
8.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. This was main man shot right here. That was shot right here. I don't know. It's in there somewhere. I felt these. This is my left hand. Like I felt, you know, when I was I was pulling a little bit. But all right, we go one more game, yo.
All right.
All right, Bert. Hey, bring the target in and show. We're gonna show the people what we doing, yo. Hey, we just taking a little break from weak hand straight hand. We're gonna take it, we're gonna do iron sights, put it out to 7 yards, and see if we can get a tight group in that little area right there. So let's go, Bert.
You care if I put red around this? I can't see it that far out. If I'll just draw.
Yeah, it's up. All right, bro. Nice meeting you, man.
Like outline it in red?
Yes. Man, we got coloring class today. Shut up. My man with he in the lines too. Okay, bro. Looking good. Hey, matter of fact, look, the only thing I got irons is full. I said, the only thing I have that is iron is a full-size pistol. My carry has a dot on it.
Okay. All right.
We're gonna draw from holster and get that target up top.
Dead center.
Huh?
You're going center mass, right?
Oh, nah, we going target to upper right-hand corner. Hey, bring the target back in.
Yeah, my apologies. Okay. Woo, I'm glad I said something. I'm glad you said something.
See that little target up there?
Yeah.
Upper right-hand corner?
Aiming for this.
Yeah, we going 5 right in the 5.
At this target?
Yeah, at that target.
Not here.
Not there. There you go. Hey, the red will be for single-handed. I thought that's what you
Okay.
doing.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'll be all right. I'll be all right. All right, that's fine. Shit. I don't know about this. And we're timing it?
Huh?
And we're timing it? You want to time it?
Why not? Yeah, we time.
Okay. All right.
Shooter ready.
Yeah.
Stand by. That's it. Just 5. So that was a 12.25.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, bring it in. Let's see where the shots landed at. Shots look pretty decent. Shots look pretty good, actually.
You think? I couldn't see it,
Could have been a little tighter, but you missed one of them. But that's not bad. That's not bad. So you got 5 right there. You got 4 on target.
Okay.
Did you get 1 on the 5? Yeah, you got 1 on the 5.
I got, yeah.
All right.
I threw 2.
All right. We going for the target in the upper right hand corner.
Target upper right hand corner.
We at 7 yards, and we going iron sights. All right, I'm ready whenever you are.
Stand by.
I missed 1 too. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5. So I missed that one too. Okay. And that was a 6 what?
6.92.
Okay. All right.
First shot was 2.62.
2.62. All right. Not bad.
Not bad.
right, Bert. 5 and 5. Weak hand, strong hand.
Center max.
All right. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Off.
All right, so that was a 20.55. You got hung up on that one.
Yeah, I did. I don't know why I couldn't even see. I couldn't see that. Oh, I did. That's not bad. All right.
It's not bad at all.
I couldn't see.
Not bad. So you drop it. Yeah. Got everything.
This is right?
Yeah, that's not bad at all, bro. All right.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
What was that?
15-6.
Damn, I'm saying in that 50, I can't get faster than the 15.
I know, right? I know.
Lord, these not great. These not the greatest shots either. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Was that already marked?
Yeah.
8.
9. Right at the bottom of his hand. Bottom of his hand.
Oh, right here. Right here. This one? Oh, okay. That's one of them might have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no.
That could be it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bam. All right, so that's 10 right there.
Okay.
All right. God damn. All right, do it one more time. All right. Make ready. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Bring it in.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I saw some clean hits. I said I saw some clean hits.
I don't think you can see him because I can't. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Sorry, 9.
Okay.
10. All right, cool.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
Some good hits.
Damn. You 10 hole.
Yeah, that was some good hits. So I see I got 1, 2. I think I got everything.
Yeah.
3, 5, 6, 8,
9.
Yeah. Hey, that wasn't bad. That wasn't a bad way.
Better that time.
That wasn't a bad way to end off.
Yeah, no, you ended off
Slow. It was slow.
It was.
At least I'm getting my target, right?
That was fast earlier. You was nowhere in the circle.
Exactly,
So, look,
right.
Whatever. Hey, that's you pinholing, and you a couple seconds behind. I mean, like milliseconds, bro.
Hey, good way to end it off, man.
That looks damn good. Good job.
All right, y'all. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the shooting portion. So yo, we got good. I appreciate you, big dog.
My man.
Hey yo, we got some good work in today. So like I said, yo, it's about identifying your deficiencies and really honing in on those deficiencies. You know, a lot of times we target our strong suits and we work on our strong suits, make them stronger. But that's really not what it's about when you're really talking about getting better. And you know, when you shoot competition and you do certain things, you start seeing like, all right, you know what, I gotta work on this. And yesterday, left hand, strong hand, weak hand, I was like, yo, I really gotta work on that. So
yeah, and it was good to get back in there and work the weak side, my left non-dominant hand. I did better than I thought I was gonna do. I'll tell you that. But that tells me that my fundamentals are where they should be. You know what I mean? By properly holding the gun. You know, as long as equal sight, you know, equal height, dropping the bucket as Kenny would say. It, you know, proper trigger squeeze, you're good. You're good.
So the other thing is that I got to work on, and these are all deficiencies that I'm well aware of, and I got to really start really working on, is dry fire. So my man Bert does it all the time. Look, he been doing it all the time.
I live and breathe it.
Kenny does it. Well, I don't know if Kenny does it all the time, but I know he does it, right? I got to start doing it and just being a regular with just dry firing in the house. So it's just little stuff that I know I got to do that I just got to do. You know what I mean? In order to take it to the next level.
Simple. I dry fire because it makes it repetitive at some point.
Gotcha.
At some point, it's just
muscle memory.
Muscle memory. I just know I gotta have it, my gun in a certain place.
Gotcha.
I know it's always going to be center if I bring it at the same place every time.
Gotcha.
And, you know, eventually it just natural.
It just goes there, right?
It just goes there.
So that's what I got to work on. So what do y'all have to work on? You know what I mean? Identify what you got to work on, and not only just, you know, harp on the strong suits you got. Work on some of the weak stuff you got. Identify it and work on it.
100%.
So yo, Crypto Ken, BMG Bert.
I forgot my name.
You know what I mean? So yo, like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. That way you are first to know whenever we upload or whenever we're doing events or whatever the case is, right? Hit that notification bell. And yo, we're gonna get up with y'all in the next video.
See you soon.
Peace.